This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Tripp. Stunning lakefront townhome in the gated community of Oceanside Village. Are you seeking a maintenance-free lifestyle? How about a relaxing water view to greet and end your day? Then this should be your next address. Beautiful 4-bed/2.5 bath home has been immaculately maintained and beams pride of ownership. Soaring ceilings delightfully take your attention to custom bookcases and sparkling water views captured through the screened lanais. The updated kitchen boasts granite counters, tile backsplash, SS appliances and tile flooring. Master suite on first level has wood flooring, updated bath with granite, double sinks, tiled walk-in shower and a large customized closet. The open staircase to the second-story loft has new luxury vinyl plank flooring, a built-in desk, 3 bedrooms and full bath. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Tripp at 321-308-0361.